Hello world. Good day, man. Big up on the damn self, you know. Cause you don't know already, you know. You don't know Augla-Pagla. Welcome to my podcast. You don't know today's podcast, today's topics. Yeah, man. That's my podcast, man. Today's topic, you don't know. Yeah, man. Well, right here, you have my co-host right here, so you don't know Willpower. Yeah, man. So you don't know in the world. Today's topic, you can always check me out, you know. You can always check you out for what going on in the world, you know. Yeah, man. You can always check me out, man. Because you don't know, we are going to have all of the steamy topic them. We are going to elaborate on what going on in the world. Because enough people not no sense, you know. Not because you see people with education, enough of them talk about them have degrees on them, something there, you know. Enough of them are just some educated dunce in my people. A universal sense me I using on my people. You see that bright boy, me I talk about me, myself, me Augla-Pagla. Me not go to university, you know. Me just have sense, you know, natural sense, man. You think none of them can fool me? So yeah, man. I just want to know, say, enough like and subscribe to my channel. Cause I go always keep on with some steamy thing on the panel. You understand? Yeah, man. Yo, Willpower, are you quiet, say youth? Say something, nah, man. No, man, I'm not too quiet in the youth. I just really, I get the floor, you know what I say? Make you talk and do your thing, and you know what I say? I hear the floor, man. So, me there with you, man. Big up on yourself, you know, viewers. I mean, I'm Willpower, man. You don't know, see, I mean, I'm Willpower. And you don't know my dog, Augla-Pagla. You might follow the steamy topic them. Me just there join him still, you know. You see me, I say, just to back him up and give him a little support, see me. You know me, I say, yeah, man, I'm a dog that, man, from long time, man. You don't know, so me know them, man, from basic school, you know. Basic school, you know. And me have the longest memory, you know. And me are the only man, remember when me did born, you know, my father. You think I joke me and my father? The man, yeah, remember when me did born, man. Remember Willpower from daycare days. Willpower no remember me. Me tell him everything we used to go on in that daycare, you know. We used to have a nice little lady who used to work at daycare, man. From long time me a pre-woman, you know. Willpower no remember them something there. Me no know how him come, sir. Yo, Augla-Pagla, you don't know, say yo, you're a special youth, you know. You know, if you watch no face, man. Me not if you really remember them things, the dog. Once you remember, you can fill me in for what go on. And you have to know you're special in a youth and stop going like you don't know in a youth. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you're special, man. You have to know that you're special, man, because you want different youth in a youth. People just love you in a youth. I mean, I don't know why, you know. Me, we do more better than you, know, and good than you, know, and we still not get the love like what you get in a youth. Why? Just stop it nice, man. I don't know what you talk about in a youth. I just be myself, you know. You have to just be yourself. I don't know who you be, but I'm a dog still from them time. You know me, I say? Yeah, man, for real, man. But, so what? We are going to talk about nothing much today. Well, right now, you don't know I'm my first time this on camera right now. I don't really have much to say right now. Although I have a lot to talk about, you know, but I don't know if I want to drag it in the episode, you know. Because this is just a really introduction in my father. You know understand what I go on. Yeah, my father, man. I know what I go on, man. I just that try to see if you really want to talk about something. You know me, I say, because you know what I go on right now in the world, pan. Enough things are going on in the world still, you know. Then that me I tell us enough things are going on in the world, my father. Then that's why I'm there to get the camera. And then that's why I'm there to get the studio and the place and everything set up, my father. So we can kick off a podcast, because enough things are going on to talk about, you know. And you have too much people with degree and bachelor's attack, and you know, for them sense I just what them see in a book in my father. You know me I say. You know sir, me kinda figure out what I go on. Yeah, man, you see in the new world, them have a way, them a monitor we and a spy upon we, man. You see the same device them we have. Yeah, man, every time you go on Facebook, man, you see something relevant what go on in your life. I will never talk about it. A true in my general, a true, man. Yeah, man, that man not tell you, man. You have to look out your eye, man. You say if you not look out your eye, my father, you're not going to see what going on, you know. You reach a point I know my father, where coming like, I your mind them are reading, I'm a general. To God be the glory, man. When I tell you something, I know what go on, my father. Nobody think I just start me talking to my father. I know what go on for real, my father. I know what go on for real, my father. Me I tell you, man. Yeah, I'm a general, man. I know, I see them thing they pop up on your timeline, man. And them have the remedy feet, man. It's like every time I'm a general. I not try sound like kind of conspiracies, you know. But I been a meds it. Something I been a meds to, man. I been a meds long time, and I say, yo, glory to God when I find out the truth, you know. Glory to God, man. I'm going to tell the people them what go on, you know. Yeah, I'm a general, man. Come see to, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Well, me I tell you, say, when I see I go on still, I don't know if the pharmaceutical or the governments and the technocrats them, but all of them come together and join force against me, I'm a general. Yeah, man, them join force against me, I'm a general. You have to see them things there for yourself, man. You say if you don't see them things there for yourself, my general, you're not gonna know. All if somebody are telling them a general, or you not see it for yourself and I'm a general, you're not gonna believe, you know. Yeah, man, me know my father, man. Me look out at me eye, man. Them man tell us, say, you have to look out your eye when I time them, man. Oh, God, man. To God be the glory, man. I'm glad say you know I go, I'm a general. Because I don't like when time I feel like me an idiot, you know. I don't like when I tell people things and them act like them not understand what I go on, like them not overs, you know. Yeah, man. I tell them I monitor with certain way, my father. You go a doctor, them get injection, and then monitor your social media, and then them put the advertisement them on the social media about how to care the same thing of them causing them a general. I be things, yo, it's not a conspiracy, no. No, my father, man. Me know what do think you're a conspiracy, man. Me know say, yeah, man, we always a pre-war going, you know. Cause some people tell me say, I know that I go on, you know. Some tell me say, I know that I go on, like, me don't know what I go on now, my father. Me know exactly what I go on, my father, man. Yeah, my father, man, me know you know what I go on, my general weep out. Yo, Agla, me know you know what I go on in Agla. From long time, me know you know Agla is a youth. You don't really have the academical type of stuff, you know. I'm not dealing with academical type of stuff. A universal intelligence and senses me deal with my father. It's like a bird. Let me tell you something more I go on, man. You see, if the government them could I get the birds them and the ants them to understand just like how we overs them, you have the ants them and the birds them pay taxes. So because through the birds and the ants them not giving to the system, it succumbs them free. But you see, because we know we act like we have too much sense and look like we can learn everything. Because we act like we can learn everything and show them so we can learn everything. My general, I saw them programming my general. To God be the glory, man. I no joke, me I'm making on my father. I know my father, man. I really thought that you're just making on my father. You see that? You just look at my father, I really talk, you know. You just say, if the ants them and the birds them and all of the other creature them would show the government say them are comprehend and them comprehensive of what them are talk about and what them are dictate. The ants them and the birds them for real would have then the same predicament like a we and my father. Then that me I try to tell them my father, so me know what go on from long time, a general. When people are talk foolish in your ears, man, tell them to tap your eyes, man. Tell them to tap your eyes at your ears, man. Me no listen to foolish now, my father. If a man don't know what them must say, or if you come with too much academical things, me no want to hear you, you know. You come with some words and some things in my father. Like some stupid, like, you know, them create words and put meaning to it. You know, think some can create my own words and put meaning to it to my general. You know that, my father, you know, say I want intelligent. Brother, my past intelligent, man, my universal, my father. I think to God be the glory, man. I want the money, man. To God be the glory, man. My past intelligence, my father. My thing, the universal. I know everything. Look on the birds, them. Think about it, my father. You think the birds them go to school and learn how build a nest, my father. Them not do that, my father. The birds them not go to school. No man, my general, me know the birds them not go to school. So all them learn how to build nest. And them want to tell we say we need to go to school. My father, I hope for it. And a God make you book them how we see now, my father. Them say God give man knowledge. But them never say God give man college. I want to them man, that a that, and cat a cat, and rat a rat. Out to out. To God be the glory, man. Alright people, big up on yourself. Are we are Augla that and we for this.